Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you for taking the time to watch Phil and I's second virtual market update. Again, any feedback is welcome, so please reach out to us either via email or Teams. Let us know if there's anything that you'd like us to touch upon or anything we can improve upon. Again, any feedback is welcome. But we'll go ahead and just hop right in here. Again, so oil prices slipped Wednesday on speculation that the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, uh, also known as OPEC, and its allies might fail to maintain production cuts or extend them only briefly. Brent crude for futures, the benchmark in international energy markets, fell 1.4% to $38.99 a barrel. The price earlier topped $40 for the first time in nearly 3 months. Since April, Brent crude has rallied by 102%. That surge was driven by record reductions in oil output and the reopening of major economies. Prices dipped after Reuters reported that Saudi Arabia and Russia had reached a deal to extend existing production cuts by only 1 month. Bloomberg News said that there was still no agreement on when OPEC and its partners might hold talks, adding to the jitters in energy markets. Oil had rallied earlier in anticipation that producers led by Saudi Arabia and Russia would discuss extending supply curbs as early as this Thursday. Now, some oil producing companies plan to begin increasing production again soon. A resumption of drilling could add to a glut of oil that accumulated in the U.S. during the pandemic. Commercial crude oil inventories declined by 2.1 million barrels last week. Still, they stood 12% higher than the average for this time of year at 532.3 million barrels. Now, although demand for oil has started to recover as lockdowns are relaxed, traders still expect that it will take a long time to go back to pre-coronavirus levels. At one point in April, demand was down by around 30%. Around half of that has returned, but the remainder will be harder to restore. So we're getting there, but this is going to take some time for us to return back to normal levels. But so far, it doesn't seem like the coronavirus has made any sort of second surge to kind of disrupt all of this. So that's all for this week here on oil. I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Phil and let him cover his portion of the update again. Thank you for listening.